Automation Anywhere help us to move from the traditional RPA to Agentic Process Automation.
Instead of going to different tools to automate different test cases, we are using Automation Anywhere as a platform to automate entire end-to-end flows.
So whether it's various APIs and integrating other agentic solutions, I'm glad that they have an open mind to make it more universal and applicable.
We decided to use Automation Anywhere was because of that capability of interacting with other systems, but also because it was considered an enterprise solution.
Automation Anywhere being one of the early adopters puts us ahead in the game of transformation.
We have around $25 million saved per year just using Automation Anywhere.
Return on investment for us working with our clients are usually 3 or 4 times in the first year, sometimes double that.
Our most recent evaluation put us at over $20,000 a quarter just looking at our finance automations alone.
Their savings, if you ask me, are easily in the range of 150 to 200,000 hours annually that we are giving back to our businesses so that they can do much more meaningful work.
Document automation saves time for us. Today, we are saving close to 1,500 days per quarter.
You can connect, interact, regardless of the system of record, regardless of the infrastructure, regardless of the platform, regardless of anything.
The document automation has come up with a lot of new features and functionalities. So comparatively, it has been a great, significant improvement.
Now we have faster, better solutions that we can deliver to our businesses.
One of the other prospective vendors that we looked at was UiPath. And one thing that stood out to our company was how approachable Automation Anywhere was compared to UiPath.
The other tools are focused on a certain area, but with the automation, we can expand our automation capability of the company-wide.
With the evaluation between Automation Anywhere and UiPath, Automation Anywhere won out because of its ease of use.
We evaluated UiPath, Pega, and Automation Anywhere. I actually had one of the accountants go back to her desk and she was able to create a bot without any training, which that kind of sold us on Automation Anywhere at that point.
With Automation Anywhere, we have much easier time supporting our current automations and developing new automations.
It's been easy to learn for developers who want to pick it up.
Automation Anywhere gives you a lot of flexibility to work with different other applications.
The best feature of this platform is the ability to scale with the volume without much change to the process itself.
For me, it's one of the best tools that is available. It will give you what you need.